Hey, what's up? Matt Wolf here. I'm back with another video on one of our simple income methods. Again, we've been talking a lot about everything that's going on in the world, and people are staying at home right now and all this virus stuff that's going around. People are looking for ways to generate income, new income streams, or how to get their old income streams back online. And so that's kind of been the theme of the last couple of videos. Today, I want to talk to you about a simple income method that we discovered a couple years ago using two tools, a tool called Thrivecart and a tool called Designer. When you mash these two tools together, you can actually create something that's really easy to sell using existing stuff that you've already created. It's a really, really cool process, and we've actually built a funnel doing this exact same method, and at the end of the video, I'll actually tell you how you can get this funnel and install it on your own account for yourself and basically duplicate exactly what I'm about to show you in this video. But before I do that, let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so I opted into this email list not too long ago, and immediately after opting in, they actually put an offer in front of me. And the site was this timfelmingham.com. And basically what the offer said was, subscription confirmed, your course is on its way. The first lesson will arrive in your inbox shortly. So basically what I opted in for was a list building course. It was like a 7-day email sequence on how to build your list. And each day you would receive a new email that would give you a new tip on how to build your list, right? But look at what they did immediately after opting in. It says, want to get this course sooner? If you don't want to wait 7 days to get the whole course, you can get the whole course now in this easy to read ebook, which you can download straight away for just $7. So I took this screenshot and saved it to Evernote here, and it didn't actually finish loading, but once it did load, there was actually a checkout box directly below this that was embedded right here on this site. And I thought, this is a really, really cool way to make some quick money without necessarily even having a product yet for sale. You can build out an email sequence in your autoresponder for, a 7 to 10 day email sequence that teaches something and drips out the content every day over a few days. And as soon as somebody opts in for that email course, you can immediately offer them an upsell and say, look, you can wait the full 7 days and get the training pieced out to you each day, or you could, for just $7, get an ebook, a PDF that just has this entire course. That seems like such an easy way to create your first little income stream with something like Thrivecart. All right, so let me go ahead and jump out of my Evernote screen here and show you exactly how I would go about setting this up. All right, so first things first, you need to write an email autoresponder sequence. So, a 7 to 10 day sequence where each day the email kind of teaches something new over the course of the email sequence. We personally use Drip, but you can obviously do this in any autoresponder that Thrivecart integrates with, which is pretty much any of them, especially if you consider you can use Zapier. So we use Drip, and we do have a handful of email autoresponder campaigns already set up in here, including this one called Our Marketing Stack. Now, this email sequence is a series of emails, and each day you get a new email with a different tool that we use in our business. So each day it talks about a different software tool. And if we click over here, you can see that this email sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. So we got 10 emails, 11, 12, 13 days long. It's a 13-day email sequence. All right. So what I would do is, to make this email sequence into an easy PDF, I'd use a tool called Designer. Now, this tool is really, really cool. I think it's about $37 per month, but it's a really, really simple, easy, fast way to make PDFs. And I actually have a special link that if you use Designer, you can actually get Designer for a $27 one-time fee. So you don't pay monthly, you don't pay annually. It's just $27 one time. If you just go to Designer's website, it's $37 a month. But if you use our special link, I think it's just $27 for life. Don't quote me on it. Prices obviously change. It's not our product. It's not in our control, but it's a product we use and we love. And you can see we get quite a bit of use out of it for making a bunch of different PDFs. So let me show you what I would do. I'd go to create a new project. Let's go ahead and call this project Our Marketing Stack. And then I'm going to select create an empty project. And then we actually have a custom template that we made just for Evergreen Profits PDFs. It is down here somewhere. So I would use the template that we sort of pre-designed, but there's a ton of templates in here that you could use. So for the sake of this, let me just go ahead and use one of the existing ones. Let's go ahead. I don't want a 2-column. I want one of these 1-column ones. Let's go and use business 6 just for the sake of this example here. And I'm going to click next. And then it asks me to enter a footer URL. So if somebody clicks on the link in the footer, where's it going to go? Our site is Evergreen Profits. So I'm going to go ahead and just make that the footer URL. And there we go. Let's just confirm everything here. Project name, our marketing stack, footer URL, evergreenprofits.com, project type, empty project, template, business. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. And now it's going to open up this simple PDF designer here. And let's go ahead and rename this to say our marketing stack, Evergreen Profits. And then I always like to, sign our names on it too, like so. And then you can see I've got a blank PDF here. And then let's go ahead and change this footer, or sorry, this is the header of the second page, our marketing stack. And then I could go ahead and edit this text, page footer, some additional text here. You can see it already links to evergreenprofits.com, but I'm just going to change the text to say evergreenprofits.com. Now, all I've got to do is go to each one of these emails in our pre-written email sequence and copy and paste the content over. So let's go ahead and start with the subject line. Let's go over to designer. I'm actually going to go ahead and delete this stuff that's already sort of pre-set up in here for me. There we go. Now I'm going to go to elements. Let's drop in a heading here. And let's go ahead and replace this heading with my subject line there. Then on my email, I'm actually going to click up here on View Archive, and it's going to show me sort of a archived URL version. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this URL up here, come back over here to Designer, insert a new element. And I'm going to select New Article, drag it right below my headline there, and then paste in that archive URL, click OK. And you can see it actually pasted it in, but it pasted it a little bit lower than I want. But there's actually a button up here that I can click that actually repaginates it and fixes it all. So now this email here is imported. All right. So now I need to just go grab my second email here. So if I click back on emails, jump over to the second email here, which is actually tool number 1, copy the email subject, jump back to designer, come to elements, typography, bring this heading over here, replace the heading. All right. Come back to my email, view archive, grab this URL here, come back to designer, click on element, components, new article, drag the new article below, paste the URL, click OK. It imported it, but it imported it down to this second page here. So I'm going to click this little, looks like a refresh button, but it actually repaginates everything for us. All right, so second one's in there. I'll do one more example here. Click on elements, click on typography, grab a heading, drop it in. Then I'm going to close this archive here, go back to my emails, and I'm going to grab my third email in the sequence, which is actually tool number 2. Copy the email subject line, jump back over to designer, paste this in as the heading, come back over here, view archive. Let's get the URL with this email in it. Come to designer, add a new element, click on components, new article, drag it down below here, paste in my URL, click OK. It dropped it to the second page, so I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I repaginate everything real quick. There we go. I could do this with all the rest of the emails, but that would be a really long video. But you get the idea. I just grab each email, view the archive version of it, and import it into Designer. Designer maintains the styling of the email and sucks it into your PDF, and you're good to go. Now, where it says article title, one little quick fix for this real quick here. If I come all the way up to the top where it says our marketing stack, select this. There's this little H here, which will apply it to all the headers on all of the pages. So if I just click that real quick, click OK, and you can see my heading now says our marketing stack at the top of each page. In the footer, it actually put article title. If I come up here real quick to this Evergreen Profits footer here, this little rectangle allows me to apply this same text to all footers. Click that, click OK. And You can see my Evergreen Profits link now is in the footer of every single page. And easy as that. You could have pretty much every single email imported over in a matter of 10 or 15 minutes. Once you're done, you come down here, go ahead and save your PDF in Designer, and then click this little publish button. Gives you a few options. Let's go ahead and do PDF, export it. And there you go. We've got a PDF version of this. It says our marketing stack, our little cover image. And you can see in the PDF, all of our links are clickable. It's got all of my emails from this sequence here, and it's ready to go. So my next step, let's go ahead and download this PDF to my computer. Make sure it's available. Let's go ahead and click save it to my desktop here. And that PDF is ready to go. So the next easiest step, if you want to be able to offer this, is to go to like a Dropbox account. So let's go ahead and go to Dropbox real quick. Go to File, grab this PDF that I just saved to my desktop here. I'm going to throw it in my content library here, and it's uploaded. Now I can view the details. I'm going to click here just so it shows me the file in Dropbox here. All right, I'm going to click on Share. I'm going to click Create a Link. And now I have a Dropbox link for this PDF that anybody can pretty much use. So if I go ahead and paste this in here, we could actually see the downloadable PDF URL that people can use. All right, so the next step is we're going to go ahead and create the product in Thrivecart. Now, Joe already went ahead and built this, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how it was set up. So you'd basically create a new product. When you create a new product, you'll select a digital product, and then the next page you'll see after that will look like these settings here. But because we already did it, I'm just going to walk you through the settings that we've already created here. So if I go into our marketing stack under edit, you can see we've called the product name our marketing stack, gave it the label our marketing stack. The checkout URL will be at our marketing stack, and we set this to live. Our pricing, this is a $7 offer, so you can get the things in advance for $7. So you'd basically just add a pricing option, set it as $7. We added a pricing option here already. We don't have a bump offer on this, but you could add a bump. So, get the 14-day email sequence all in one PDF. Oh, by the way, do you want to offer the audio version? And you could read out your emails. That'd be kind of weird, but I guess it's an option. If you have other products that you could sell that are complementary, you could add them as a bump offer, a digital or physical bump offer. For this demonstration, I'm not going to do that. Set up our payment processors. We use Stripe, PayPal, Google Pay, or Apple Pay and Google Pay. And we don't have affiliate set up for this because it's such a low ticket product. Set up our support information. We already plugged in our support URL there. And then our cart. So I'm going to click next, and we actually designed a cart up already for this. You can see that, we spent some time in the drag and drop editor, put an attention grabbing headline here, some images and some text, and then a button that'll scroll down to the checkout, some bullets, a box shot, and then your checkout is down here. And this is the design we've already made. And then you've got your success page, congratulations and thank you. Click the button to download your PDF. And that is the entire funnel. This is another tiny funnel, essentially, where you've got your entire sales page on one page, and then where you actually deliver the product is on the next page. This download PDF link is that link that I just copied and pasted over from Dropbox, so they can download it directly from Dropbox there. And this is all set. We have a tiny funnel here for this $7 offer of grabbing our email sequence early. So I'm going to go ahead and save and exit out of this. Click on tracking. This is where you would add your Facebook pixel code and your Google Analytics code. If you're using VWO or any other custom tracking scripts, you'd put them here. And then your behavior rules. This is where you would, add them to your drip mailing list and whatnot. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And then when we save and get URL here, you can see, view checkout, we have a completely built out sales page. It's a tiny funnel, all in one funnel here. You've got your sales message. If you click get yours now, it scrolls down to checkout. For $7, they can check out. And again, on the success page, the page right after they get this, they'll be able to download that PDF straight off of Dropbox with our entire marketing stack already ready inside of it. Now, this page that you're seeing here, this whole tiny funnel that's on the screen right now, we'll just give it to you. If you want this tiny funnel, you want access to this landing page where you can make your own $7 email sequence delivery sales page, we'll give you this funnel. One of the newest features in Thrivecart is that we can actually share checkout carts. So if you purchase Thrivecart through our link in the bonus download area, we'll give you a link to where you can just add this entire checkout page funnel right into your Thrivecart account, and you'll be good to go. You can start using this exact template in your Thrivecart account right away. So if you want this template from the little tutorial that I just gave you, just grab Thrivecart through our affiliate link and you will get an email with a receipt from Thrivecart. And in the link, inside of that email receipt, you will get a link to where you can access our bonuses. Inside of those bonuses, you'll get this template and any other templates we're offering for becoming a customer of Thrivecart. So hopefully you found this tutorial helpful, and hopefully if you don't have Thrivecart yet, you go get it through our link, and we're going to hook you up with a whole bunch of custom tiny funnels and checkout pages and templates and sequences and all sorts of cool stuff. So go check that out. Check out Thrivecart if you don't have it already. Hopefully you found this helpful. See you guys later.